Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to earn on Chamet app. So I will show you how to earn on Chamet. Just watch this video till the end. Open Chamet first like this and click here. When you click here it will take you to this page. Right now what you should do, the easiest way to earn on your app is to click here on my tasks. You have to do a simple task that you can earn with. For example, upload avatar. You can earn this. If you check in, if you have like invitation, if you send invitation, you can earn this coin. Also, you can earn diamond by watching some videos. So just do these tasks and you can earn after this. And to withdraw, you can click my beans from here on my diamond and click withdraw and finish the other step. And that's all. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.